Most service business owners don't lose money because of lack of work. They lose money because of disorganization, missed appointments, and slow communication. And here's the truth no one tells you. The best software is not the one with the most features. It is the one your team actually uses every day. In this video, you'll get a full 2026 honest comparison between Jobber and Workiz, so you can decide which one fits your business better. Let's get straight into it. Both platforms are built for service businesses, but they are designed with slightly different priorities. Jobber focuses on simplicity and ease of use. Workiz focuses more on communication-heavy and call-based service operations. Now here's where it gets interesting. Your choice depends less on features and more on how your customers contact you and how your team operates in the field. Let's break it down. First, Jobber. Jobber is built for small to mid-sized service businesses that want clean scheduling, invoicing, and customer management in one system. It is very easy to set up and understand. So if Alex runs a small roofing or cleaning business, Jobber helps him schedule jobs, send invoices, and communicate with customers without confusion. Everything is simple and structured. But here's the problem. Jobber is simple, but that simplicity can become limiting when your business becomes more complex or call-heavy. Now, let's talk about Workiz. Workiz is designed for service businesses that rely heavily on phone calls, dispatching, and real-time job coordination. It focuses strongly on communication, call tracking, and scheduling efficiency. So if Jake runs a locksmith, HVAC, or emergency service business where speed of response matters, Workiz helps him track calls, assign jobs quickly, and respond faster than competitors. Now here's where it gets interesting. Workiz is built for high-volume, fast response operations, while Jobber is built for structured, predictable scheduling workflows. Let's compare them clearly. Jobber is easier to learn, faster to set up, and better for straightforward service businesses. Workiz is more powerful for communication-heavy teams that need fast dispatch and call management. But here's the key mistake most people make. They choose software based on popularity instead of matching it to how customers actually contact them. Now here's a simple way to think about it. If your business runs on scheduled jobs, and you want something simple and clean, Jobber is usually the better fit. If your business depends on fast calls, urgent dispatching, and high response speed, Workiz is stronger. Now here's the insight most contractors miss. Software does not fix chaos. It only organizes it. If your process is unclear, even the best platform will feel messy. So to wrap it up, Jobber is best for simple, organized service businesses that want ease of use. Workiz is best for fast-moving, communication-heavy businesses that need speed and dispatch control. If you understand this difference, you stop guessing and start choosing based on how your business actually operates. If this helped you, like the video, comment your business type so I can suggest the best setup for you, and subscribe for more simple software comparisons that help you make smarter business decisions.